I'm actually rooting for Google.
Rooting?
Yeah, I'm rooting for Google because all of these advancements in AI would not have been possible had Google not created the transformers. And it's not necessarily just Google, the researchers that Google supports and funds to do a lot of these open source technologies that has gotten us here.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
And
There's
Google
there's
was
a yeah.
Google's
And
team was the first to do it. I'll
yeah,
just be
I
honest.
yeah, so there's it's just that I guess I'm just gonna not be necessarily cautious about this because we all know that we are ruled by the Google on Google, I call it, because it's inevitable. It's everywhere. It's just so easy. It's and it has evolved in many things. It's taught us a lot. It's the one that is leading. But of course, there's some things that have, for example, I was actually working for a reporting tool that I haven't seen that much elsewhere for reporting, and Google has a tool for that in in their own platform. So I was like, how come I didn't know this before? I guess it may have been left behind because it was not used by users, but there's just so much out there that they have developed. It's amazing.
And I've been burned by them a lot too,
Yeah.
because they're the reason I know not to use the newest and shiniest thing because 6 months
Yeah.
later it might be gone or it might be replaced. And so you have to make sure that you use something that has a solid foundation.
True. There you go.
But yeah, that's who I know. I'm actually I'm rooting for a lot of them for a lot of different reasons. Anthropic from more of
Mm.
I really resonate with Dom and his vision of how he's building the AI culture and AI. I think Anthropic is really doing a great job on the AI culture and AI, how you should be building an AI company. OpenAI obviously is leading from a fine tuning and training perspective, but I think Google is looking at it very objectively. Of look, you want to use it